going to go to work.
Okay. So this is 39. So first we had to square both sides. Okay. Then we move this side over. So subtract x squared, subtract 2x, subtract 1. Remember x plus 1 squared. This is x plus 1 times x plus 1. You can do it as this squared plus this times this plus this squared. Or you can just multiply it through. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1 squared. Okay. Then we got to move those over. We check to see if it's product and sum works. So 2 times 3 is 6. So the product is 6. The sum is 5, and we subtract to get there. That is possible. It's 2 and 3, right? So we're going to do the factoring of it. Okay? What?
5 and 1. Or yeah, because you subtract
5 or 6 and 1 to get 5. Yeah. 6 and 1 to get 5. Thank you. And so we're going to do 6 and 1. That's what we'll get to eventually. But right now we're gonna do the star variable, right? And then we bring down the signs. That sign comes down. This sign tells me that they are different. So that means this will be different than plus, so it's going to be minus, right? Okay, from there, that's the signs, right? From there, we're going to come up with product and sum. Well, that's what we did to begin with, right? So the product is 6, the sum is 5. We said it was 6 and 1, right? And now we got to come up with that star. The star cleanup says that there's a star of 2, right? And so we got to take out a 2 and a 1. There's an extra 2 in here. So I'm going to take out a 2 and a 1, and that brings out x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Set it equal to 0. And now I've got x is equal to negative 3, right? And x is equal to 1 over 2. And that's it. So that's your that's your answers for x for 39. Okay? So 39 is pretty tough. I don't know if we did 10. So should I cover 10 again?
We did 10.
I know, but I think the video stopped, or I don't know.
You should do it just in case.
I should do it just in case. I could have sworn I hit record. Yeah, because oh, maybe it wasn't recording. Maybe that's it. Okay. So yeah, so for number 10, we have absolute values. Absolute values, the absolute value of 7 is 7. So then we just figure it for 7. But the absolute value for negative 7 is 7. So we have to figure it out for negative 7. So then we just solve. Add 5 to both sides, divide by 3, boom. We get x is 4. Add 5 to both sides, divide by 3, we get boom. X is negative 2/3. And that's absolute value. Yay. In a nutshell. Okay. No? Nobody's seen that movie?